Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Beam for Construction. So in this today Navisworks tutorial series, we will be discussing about how you can group the clashes. Okay, so whatever clashes you are running in your Navisworks session, if you want to confine those clashes as per any group, then how you can create. Okay, so it will be less number of groups will be appearing to you, and you will be focusing on that particular clash at a single time. It will not be showing you the multiple clashes for the same group. Okay, so we will be creating a group for all the similar clashes in one group system. So this is how we will be proceeding for a better coordination process. So first of all, we will be appending some files here. So let me append the HVAC and one building sample here, then we will be discussing. So I am having NWC export for all the disciplines. Okay, then we'll be running a clash test between, let's say if you want to run the clash test between HVAC and the water supply file. So other than this, I am hiding all other services. So here you can see that we are having an HVAC and we are having water supply services here. Okay, and we want to run a clash detection test between them. So first of all, we have to click on the clash detection, and for the clash detection in detail I have already uploaded a video. If you haven't watched, you can go and check out my playlist section. So here, let's say to add the test, we will be simply clicking on the add test, then we are renaming it as a HVAC versus water supply. Okay, understood. Then we have to select the file. So in selection A, I am selecting HVAC. In selection B, I am selecting water supply. Test type hard composite object, check tolerance 0, run test. So simply you can see here I am having some clashes. Okay, total 9 clashes are there. Okay, so we are having total 2 location, one location here and one location here. So for both 2 location, total I am having 9 clashes in my Navisworks session. Okay, now if you go here, let me show you clash 1, and here if you go to focus on clash, same location we are having the clash. Clash 2 also same location, clash 3 also same location, clash 4 also same location, clash 5 you can see up to clash 7 I am having the clashes at the same location. Understood? So let's say if there is a clash here at the same location, I will be going to Revit for the clash 1 and I will be resolving the clash with all duct insulation fitting. So in single time I can resolve this full clashes from the Revit. So still these clashes are, number of counts are increasing here. I want all these clashes to be under only one group. Okay, so I can focus in Revit and update those clashes in a single time. So this is how you are grouping the clashes here for your simpler work. So for that one, if you go here in the clash detection tool, you are having an item options. Okay, so here you can use this window. So let's say let me turn this one. If you are going to clash 1, okay, so this is our clash 1. Once we are selected on the clash 1, it will be selecting the items from the HVAC file also and from the water supply file also. So simply you can click here and you can use group clashes involving item. So whatever items are involving with this groups, it will create a one group. So you can see from 1 3 4 7 8 it has created a single group for the those clashes. So you can mention here duct insulation versus pipe, and the next you can see here 2 5 6 it is clashing with the pipe versus duct. So for them also you can create a next, you can see rectangular duct, you can create a next group. So here you can mention rename duct versus water supply. Okay, so this is how you can create the group. So we can make it clear. So okay, so right now we are having one duct insulation versus pipe here clash, then we are having second group for the duct, same duct versus water supply pipe clash here, and then we are having one clash at this location that is clashing with the insulation only. So insulation versus pipe, so single clash we are having. Okay, so this is how you can create the group. And if you want to ungroup this one again, so for that one you can utilize this one. Okay, explode group, again it will explode. If you want to create the group from directly here without going to item. Then also you can create. For that one, simply you have to select, let me explore this one. You have to select first to 8, you know that at the same location it is showing. So if you want to create for the same location a single group, you can select all those clashes. Then here you can mention use this feature group selected items. So this is another option. And as you know that all these options are manual. So right now, if you don't want to use manual, then we are having a Clastrix option. You can install this add-in Clastrix, and here you are having a option to create a smart group. So you have to simply click on the group clashes. Okay, you have to choose your test, which test you want to create the groups, and you have to select group by selection A and then by, so you can select as per your requirement. For now I am selecting the file HVAC versus water supply selection A, and we will be mentioning here group create group. So as you can see here, it has automatically created group. Okay, so this group having the clashes between duct versus pipe, this group having the clashes for the same location between duct insulation versus pipe, and the clash number 9 is the pending, that is different location clash. So in this way you can group your clusters, and if you want to ungroup it again, you can use this feature from here, or you can go to group clashes again and you can check this one and ungroup from here. So this is how you can use this Clastrix add-in. Also this will be available on the Chrome. You can search this Clastrix and you can download that installer, and then you can utilize it in the Navisworks. So this is all about the groups. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.